Love yourself, love yourself, love yourself, love yourself.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Janelle and this is Love Janelle. So today I am going to be making a video requested by one of you lovelies. I was asked to make a video showing how to attach lobster clasps to waist beads, just to give you another option. So I've already made a video showing how I just tie the elastic with a knot, and then I've also made a tutorial showing you how to attach a barrel clasp. This will be a really quick and easy tutorial just showing you how to attach the lobster clasp to the waist bead. So this is what you're going to need. You won't need everything in this kit, so I'm not really recommending this. I got from Walmart, and what you really just need is the lobster clasp, the top and the clasp itself, along with some crimps and crimp covers, and these are the crimp covers that I'm using today. You're also going to need some needle nose pliers to fix the clasp, and then lastly you are going to need your waist beads. So before I attach the lobster claw, I'm going to add the little circle part that the lobster claw is hooked onto on the other side first. So I get my string and I get a crimp. So this little crimp is gonna be what holds everything together. So I thread the crimp through the string through the crimp, and then I get that loop, and then I thread that through after. Now I'm going to get that same string and pass it back through the crimp again, making sure to keep the loop on the end, if that makes sense. Just look at what I'm doing. So I threaded it through and came around again and threaded it back on itself. After making sure there is no gapping between the beads, I hold the string very taut, and then I get the needle nose pliers just to squeeze the crimp down. I'm going to flatten it onto the string to make sure it doesn't go anywhere. So once you do flatten it, it's actually very secure. I didn't need to knot anything or do anything else to it. So that was that. You can either cut the excess string before or after the next step. This time I chose to do it before. The next step would be to get the crimp cover, just to make it look nice and finished when we get to the end. It's going to look like another bead at the end. So you just cover it with the crimp cover, and again with the needle nose pliers, but this time you're not going to push all the way down, just lightly squeeze on it a little just to secure it. So after securing the ring, we're going to go over to the other side to attach the claw of the lobster claw. So again, we're starting with that crimp. The next step would be to apply the lobster claw and then thread the string back through the crimp again. So we're doing the exact same thing on this side that we did on the other side. We're just using the lobster claw instead of the ring, making sure to keep the beads nice and tight. Again with the needle nose pliers, secure the string with the crimp and then cut off the excess. The last step would be to cover the crimp with the crimp cover, and that is it. So it's a really quick and easy tutorial. If you would like a tutorial showing you how to make waist beads in the first place, I'll link those videos that I've already made in the description bar and also in the iCards right here on your screen. Give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful, and if you want to see more waist bead videos. If you are interested in waist bead videos, let me know what kinds you might want to see from me in the comment section down below. Thank you all so much for watching, supporting and subscribing, and until next time, lovelies.
Don't confuse me with somebody else, 'cause I've been working, I've been moving in stealth. Love yourself, love yourself, love yourself, love yourself.